Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today I'm going to be doing this look right here. Fire. And I'm going to be reviewing and playing with the new Naked and Urban Decay Cherry Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to be telling you all my thoughts at the end of the video. So first I'm going to show you how I got this look. And I also used a couple new products like the new Cover FX Power Play Concealer, the new Artist Couture highlighters, and I brought back some old school products that I used to use before. So if you guys want to check out how I got this look and to see what my thoughts are on this palette and to see if I think that you should get it, if it's worth your hard-earned money, I'm gonna let you know. So keep watching the video so you get this bomb ass look and that you can know what I really think about this eyeshadow palette, because I'm gonna tell you the truth, okay? Okay, I decided so that if I left this little like white space here, I thought it would be super cute to put just like a lighter color. What I did was I took this Morphe 205 brush and then I just went in, not perfect or anything, because I kind of just want it like to fade up there, that space where we have the concealer. Also, if you guys saw me earlier, these Hocus Pocus brushes are so cute. I got them at Spirit Halloween when I went the other day, and so they're really, really good. They were only $12.99, and they came with 4 brushes, and they're so good. I kind of want to do like the same thing that I did in my last video with like the glitter, because I just been like loving glitter. Crystal Pink by NYX glitter. Just gonna moisturize my skin with some Tatcha Balanced Pore Perfecting Water Gel. Let's take a moment to appreciate the Hocus Pocus sign in the back. I haven't used this primer in a while, so I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. I'm going to be using the Matte Velvet Skins by Makeup Forever. I'm going to be using them in the shades 365 and 405 and mix them together. Obsessed with this foundation brush when I used it the other day, so I'm going to be using the Gabby Rose Makeup the Face Master brush. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Cover FX new concealer that they came out with. This is in the shade P, the Power Play Concealer. Tell me something, girl. Are you living in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? 'Cause I'm falling. In all the good times I felt myself longing for change. And in the bad times I found myself. It's like, has like a rounded tip. Kind of weird like applying it, but it was nice on the nose because it has a little divot, so it like goes perfectly down the nose, which is cool. I feel like all these brands are always trying to come out with like different innovative stuff and weird looking stuff, and it's just like, that's all cool and great and stuff, but like, that's okay because, you know, we could still use it and stuff, but like, it's just like, be practical, because as long as the formulation is great and we're able to apply the product easily, like, that's all we freaking ask for. Using the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Cupcake. Y'all know that I love this stuff. I'm in the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. I'm far from the shallow now. Shallow. I'll never meet the ground. Far from the shallow now. To contour and chisel out my face into bronzing or whatever, I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar bronzer in the shade Bronzed Bee. No, Son of a Bee. This bronzer, the issue with that I have with it is that it has so much like kickback. That's why I don't like use it so much. So y'all like the kickback? Battery died, so my camera shut off and I didn't even notice. But anyways, I just did my lower lash line. I'll do my lashes right after I do everything else. But for highlighter, this is a brand new product. This is by Artist Couture, and this is in Haute. Hot damn, but it's like Haute, like 510 brush to highlight. For blush, because I want to do like berry, I'm going to be going in with a MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Gentle, and I'm going to be using the so cute Hocus Pocus little brush. I mean, am I going to use anything else? So for lip liner, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Copenhagen. I could leave it like this if you like matte, but you know me, you know I live from gloss, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this Cream Sheen lip gloss that was in a matte collection like 2 years ago. It's just like a shimmery reddish shade. Sporting Chick. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it came out. It's exactly what literally like I envisioned in my head. I'm so happy. I love it. So to talk about the Naked palette, I think it was a really nice palette for the colors that it has. Now the packaging obviously I think is gorgeous. I really love the concept of it being like cherries, and I really think that the packaging on the outside and the colors actually speak to, you know, cherry kind of tones and stuff. Now, do I think that I could have used or done this same eye look with another palette? Of course. I don't feel like these are like revolutionary or anything like that. I think that if you don't have these kinds of colors in your collection already, or if you are a makeup lover like myself and collect all of the Urban Decay Naked palettes, then this is gonna be amazing for you. But if you have colors like this and like me, you don't really go towards using this like on an everyday basis. Like if you have the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I don't think that you like need this. But I do think that this is really pretty if you are interested in purchasing it. I think it blends it out really nicely. The only downside that I have about this is that it has so much fallout, and it doesn't impact the blendability of the eyeshadows, but it went like all over my shirt. Like this is a light pink shirt, and I see dark burgundy eyeshadow like all over my shirt. So yeah, be wary of the, I mean, I usually don't try not to do my makeup in clothes that I really care about. I always do them in like pajamas and stuff. That's why towards the beginning of the video you always see me looking all raggedy. So other than that, because of the fallout, I feel like that was a pretty big downside about this product, because I don't remember having any problems with fallout before from Urban Decay. I just love it, like opening it. I think it looks so pretty. I do love the color selection. A+ for the color selection, A+ for packaging, A+ for blendability, C for being innovative, you know, because it's like we see colors like this a lot, you know what I'm saying? But I think that it was a super cute little collection. I only got this because I wasn't interested in getting any of the lipsticks or anything, because I have so many burgundy lipsticks that I don't even touch, honestly. I just really go for like nudes. Like this is kind of like super different for me. Obviously I've done looks like this and I love looks like that, but this is not really what I go for now. I used to always do like crazy colors all the time, but now I just like my nudes because I really like to play up with the eyes. But I want to bring back like more like colorful colors like this, and fall is the time to do that. So let's get back to the palette just for a quick second. I think that for innovation, obviously I told you a C, and then for the fallout, that's like a really big downside for me that I don't really experience with a lot of palettes. So I'd have to say that it having a lot of fallout made it a little bit displeasurable to actually use the product, because I constantly had to be like, oh my god, am I getting it on my shirt? Am I getting it on my rug? It's going all over the desk. Like it was just a mess. $39 I think, which is standard for their other eyeshadow palettes. So if you're looking to get this palette, I think that obviously like the look that I made, it blended out so perfectly, and the brush that it came with is actually really nice. So overall I really love this palette. The fallout, I'm just gonna have to deal with it because I already have it. So I'll just make sure to go a little bit lighter and blend a little bit softly on my eye so I don't get as much fallout, because I'm sometimes kind of rough with my eyeshadows. Like I'm like now for the highlighter that I use from Couture, oh my gosh, amazing, obsessed with that highlighter. I will definitely get that. And then the Cover FX concealer is really nice. I don't see any creasing whatsoever. It was really nice in full coverage, super pretty, loved it. That is all that I have to tell you guys. Please let me know if you like this cherry like inspired look. Let me know if you got the palette down below, please. Like seriously, when I tell you guys, oh, just let me know, like literally I want to know. Let me know if you got the palette down below. Let me know if you like it, or if it's just like you know, for you, because when I first came out I was just like So these are the ones that I didn't use. They are so pretty, huh? So I want to do a look with like all of them. So that is it. That is all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and to hit the subscribe button, because my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers before December. oh my gosh, please make my dreams come true if you love my videos and my content and you want to see me create more stuff. If there's anything specific that you want me to film, please don't hesitate to let me know, because I would love to film what you guys want me to film. And yeah, just make sure that you subscribe. Like I said, click the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos. And I hope my little Bembas have a blessed day. Bye.